Hello, it's break time, and here's the LEGO City ATV Arrest set. This set is for ages 5 to 12 and is numbered 60135. It's a small set and it comes with just 47 pieces. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. There is one bag of Lego bricks, a set of instructions, and 2 stickers. So let's pour out the bricks and start building. And here's the police officer, and he's holding a pair of handcuffs. And here's the crook, and he's holding a red crowbar. Next we have a safe with some gold bars and a red trolley. And here's the police ATV. In the front is a pair of blue headlights and a sticker saying police. There is a pair of gray handlebars and a seat for the police officer. And he can either be sitting or standing on this ATV. And lastly, in the back are a pair of clips for the pairs of handcuffs and a blue siren. And that's the end of this short video on this LEGO City ATV Arrest set. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. I hope to see you soon next break time. Goodbye.